Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because the Microsoft Store isn't accepting your PayPal balance, especially with the 2025 updates rolling out. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that should get you back to shopping in no time. This issue often stems from account linking problems, outdated apps, or payment settings glitches, but it's usually easy to resolve. First things first, let's start with the basics. Open your Microsoft account settings and ensure that your PayPal account is properly linked. Head to the Payments section in the Microsoft Store app or website, and double-check if PayPal is selected as your preferred method. If it's not linked, click on Add a Payment Method and follow the prompts to connect your PayPal. Remember, for 2025, Microsoft has tightened security, so make sure your PayPal email matches the one on your Microsoft account. Next, update everything. Go to the Microsoft Store on your device and check for any available updates for the app itself. Also, make sure your device's operating system, whether it's Windows or another platform, is fully updated. Outdated software is a common culprit for payment issues. Once that's done, log out of your Microsoft account and log back in to refresh the connection. Now, let's troubleshoot PayPal side. Log into your PayPal account and verify that your balance is available and that there are no restrictions on your account. Sometimes, PayPal requires you to confirm your identity or update your security settings. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies to eliminate any temporary glitches. This can often resolve weird payment errors. If that doesn't work, try a different device or browser. For instance, switch from your phone to a computer, or vice versa, and attempt the purchase again. This helps rule out device-specific problems. As a last resort, reach out to Microsoft or PayPal support. They have dedicated teams for 2025 issues and can provide personalized help. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Microsoft Store not accepting your PayPal balance. It might take a few minutes, but you'll be glad you did. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.